disgusting. I look disgusting and my allergies are acting up so bad right now. But I wanted to show you what I'm doing. So I wasn't going to record because I look like this, but this is like a very last minute thing I need to finish up, which are all my tie tops that I'm sewing right now. I'm doing a drop at 12 o'clock. Then I have to get ready and go to Hoboken. I'm also just watching Love Island just because it's just so addicting. I never liked reality TV, but this is like insanely good. And yeah, I have my little coffee right here. I think I have like maybe 10 more tops to sew, so stay tuned for that. And this is me. The headphones, because when I sew, that machine is so loud, so I need like headphones when I'm listening to something. But yeah, all right, I will get back to doing all this. All right, bye. Okay, I just got ready, and I also have an addiction, and it's to Love Island. I literally start playing it even when I'm getting ready in the background, so that's a little bit of a problem. I'm trying to lace up my shoes that I just got. I'm obsessed with the color of these. The only thing is they gave me horrible blisters, like really bad blisters, and I have band-aids on and high socks, so I'm praying it doesn't happen, but it just matches my shirt so perfectly because I have some red in here that it works out good. I'm praying. Okay, but for now I'm just gonna hope for the best. I think it's because they're a little big on me, so they're like sliding up and down every time I walk. I just relace stitch to make them tighter on. I also got the shirt from Princess Polly, and I feel like I look less like me. Like that makes no sense. What the fuck? And whatsoever. What I'm trying to say is like it's so girly and fun, but I fuck with it. See, like this is what I was trying to do. Put the lace through that last hole, because I think that's why I got blisters. At least I'm hoping that's why. Okay. Hold up. You see this? I'm going to Hoboken right now, and I have to go pick up my boyfriend. And then we're going to make our way. I'm going to make him drive because I hate driving. I'm going to show you the outfit 1 second. It's basic. Princess Polly, Levi's, Adidas. That's how they say it in Italy. Adidas. But it's Adidas for us. I don't know what perfume. I just got this new perfume sent to me, and I can't tell if I like the smell, or it smells too old. What's so crazy is this is what I used to have. The Sun one. Literally, look how much I used of it. So for me to get sent this is actually amazing. I just can't tell if I like it. Should I just spray it? I think I'm just gonna spray it for today and see what my boyfriend says about it. It has like an after sweet smell, so just so I smell a little different. I don't know. Can't really tell. Alrighty. So we added this belt. It's from H&M, and I think it's just perfect. Alright, bye. Good morning. I just woke up and it's Saturday. I'm gonna do a little day in my life. I do need to get my nails done. This is how the nails are looking. The nails are looking really bad. So are my toes. What else do I need to do today? I don't know, I just need to get like work done and promote my brand, honestly. Cause it's Saturday, so I'm gonna see what the day takes me. But right now, I'm just gonna make some coffee and like edit videos on my phone to post onto my brand's account. Cause I made a video in one of the tops, and I'm probably gonna also do that again today. But yeah, okay, get back to you in a bit. Hi, I literally just showered. I put a little makeup on. You know, it's just one of those days. That's me right now. Still need to go get my nails done. I did all the editing and everything like that. And I also need to do my hair really bad. I just hate days like this where your skin just comes out like shit. Like, it's genuinely a bad skin day. Like, I put the makeup on. You can't tell. I know you can kind of tell. I put the makeup on. Oof. It's brutal. At this point, I shouldn't have even put makeup on because of how bad it is. But here goes nothing. This is what my hair looks like. I scrunched it yesterday and all the curls kind of fell. I'm trying to like really soak this so that the gel doesn't get all crusty. I noticed when I like use this gel and I put it into my hair when it's dry, I get all that crust. So water is like my best friend right now. I'm literally balding. I also have a fucked up hairline, but like that's a whole other story. I think I'm more concerned about my balding right now. I'm gonna have to get right back to you. I feel so relieved because it was not working out before. I just need to do a quick outfit video for my brand and then I'm gonna go get my nails done. Okay. Just finished with all that. I'm literally craving Dunkin' Donuts, but I'm trying really hard not to have like iced lattes throughout the day or anything like that. So instead, I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. I do love smoothies, but I'm getting kind of tired of them. So I don't really know what else to make. And I've been having the same smoothie, but this will help me like not get an iced latte. So that's good. Nothing against iced lattes. I'm just trying really hard to limit my intake. I'm gonna go do that. Just got to the nail salon. I might not record. I'm probably not gonna record because I get a little shy. I don't know. I feel like I get a little shy when I like back out this camera in public. Like only when I'm by myself. Like if I'm with a friend, I feel like I don't care. But if I'm by myself, I can't really take this camera out. But I think I want to do French. Something basic. Guess we shall see. So I'll talk to you in like a bit. I just finished with my nails. I didn't speak up. Oh, it's moving. And I regret not speaking up because these are my nails and I hate them. I was gonna like say do a third coat to make it like get more pigmented and then I just couldn't really speak up. I don't know. I don't know what happened in that moment and now I kind of regret it. It's all right though. So I'm gonna go home now, figure out what I want to eat because I'm hungry. So talk soon. Okay, bye. I had to watch that last episode. I just had to. But I'm gonna start editing. Why do I look like this? So yeah.